Hello, and welcome to your virtual tour of Lackawanna College's Scranton campus. Lackawanna College has locations close to home throughout northeastern and central Pennsylvania, but most of our students attend classes in Scranton. Let's begin your visit at Angeli Hall, which serves as our main academic building and will likely be where most of your classes are held. Did you know that Angeli Hall was once Scranton Central High School? Well, you do now. This building has been our home in the Electric City since the mid-1990s, but the college has been around since 1894. Angeli Hall is home to traditional classrooms and science labs, as well as the college's innovative learning studios. These areas don't look like regular classrooms and are outfitted with interactive technology and comfortable furniture that can be moved freely to accommodate classes that favor group projects, lectures, and more. Our students love these classrooms, and we're pretty proud of them too. Looking for some Falcons apparel? Stop by the Falcon Spirit Store operated by our very own Lackawanna College chapter of Phi Beta Lambda. Show off your new gear and grab a snack between classes when you stop by the Falcon's Nest. If you're interested in video games, you should check out our esports facility. Lackawanna was the first institution in our area to offer college esports as an athletics program. And the facility features neon lights, casting equipment, and top-of-the-line Alienware PCs. Angeli Hall is also home to many important offices. The ground floor is where you'll find our admissions office, and the first floor contains college offices for financial aid, student accounts, the registrar, student engagement, and student success, among other important services you might need. You may have classes in Healey Hall as well, which is only about a block away. Healey Hall is also home to our faculty offices, alumni offices, and much more. You'll probably meet with your academic advisor here at the end of each semester to plan your next set of classes. If you're feeling lost on campus, don't be afraid to ask for help. There's also a campus map available on our website. About a block away from Angeli Hall is our Culinary Center, which happens to be the newest building on campus. Opened in 2018, the Culinary Center is home to our dining commons, where you can grab an all-you-can-eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Nobody wants to go to class hungry. The ground floor is where you'll find our teaching kitchens for our culinary arts-related majors. If you get the chance, be sure to check out our student-run restaurant, 409 on Adams. Let's take a look at some of our facilities for resident students. This is Healey Hall, which is just across the street from Healey Hall. Lackawanna College also offers housing at McKinney Hall and Tobin Hall, and both are about 2 blocks from our main building. You'll notice that we like to keep our facilities really close to each other. That makes it easier for students to make it to class on time and for commuter students to find parking nearby. Most of the rooms in our residence halls offer space for 2 students each, and will provide almost all of the furniture that you'll need for a comfortable stay, including beds, desks, and micro-fridges with microwaves. About 2 blocks from Angeli Hall is the Lackawanna College Student Union, the home of our Falcons athletic teams. Do you remember how we mentioned Angeli Hall was once a high school? Well, many people from this area remember our student union as the former Catholic Youth Center. You could say we're pretty good at preserving and repurposing old buildings. The student union houses the gymnasium where our women's volleyball, men's and women's basketball, and wrestling teams hold their home games. Lackawanna competes in Region 19 of the National Junior College Athletic Association. We also host a number of athletic events for surrounding community groups and high schools throughout the year. It's important to us that we contribute to the communities that we serve. The ground floor features the college's study hall facilities, where we encourage our student athletes to take time to improve and maintain a high grade point average. You'll also find our Falcon Fitness Center on the ground floor, where our athletes work to gain strength and prevent injuries. The fitness center is open to all students on campus, and a separate weight room in McKinney Hall is designated for the strength and conditioning of our nationally ranked Falcons football team. Well, that about wraps up our virtual tour of Lackawanna College's Scranton campus. We can't wait to see you in Scranton, so you can experience our facilities for yourself.